Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into how to buy TikTok coins using a Visa gift card. First, open your TikTok app and head over to your profile section. Once there, tap the menu icon. It might look like three lines or a gear symbol, depending on your device. Navigate to Settings and Privacy, and then look for a section related to your account balance or in-app purchases, whichever seems relevant. From there, find the option to Get Coins or Recharge. You'll be presented with various coin package options. Select the one that best suits your needs. Here's where the Visa gift card comes in. Unfortunately, adding payment methods directly within TikTok might not be supported in all regions. The key takeaway is to check your device's built-in payment options, like Apple Pay or Google Pay, and see if you can add your Visa gift card there. Once added, this payment method should be available for in-app purchases like TikTok coins. And there you have it. By using this method, you can buy TikTok coins using Visa gift card. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.